In this video, we are going to talk about universal laws of attractions. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Your life is currently being directed and impacted by forces from the universe that you might not even be aware of, the most potent of which being the law of attraction. It has an ongoing effect on your life in more ways than you can imagine, just like the law of gravity. The good news is that you may discover how to apply this universal law to improve your life once you are aware of it. Because of the following, you are constantly creating something new. You actively shape your reality every second of every day. Your future is being shaped by every idea you have, whether they are conscious or unconscious. And when you understand how to use the law of attraction in your life, you can focus your thoughts and actions in a way that makes it simple for you to draw on the things you want. You can use the law of attraction to improve your life and build a fantastic future after you have a clear understanding of how it operates. This manual will show you how to apply this potent universal rule and how to attract what you want into every aspect of your life. I'll explain the 7 laws of attraction. Yes, there are more than one, and the 3 tried and true methods you can take to put them into action in your life. You'll discover how to employ it for a variety of things, like drawing more money or love into your life. What is the law of attraction? According to the global law of attraction, anything you put your attention on will come into your life. You will unconsciously draw more nice things into your life if you concentrate on all the wonderful things you already have. However, if you solely dwell on your shortcomings and think negatively, you will eventually attract more of the same, and you will continue to fall short of your goals. Why does the universe use the law of attraction? To put it another way, it's because similar things attract one another. You are contributing to the distribution of positive energy in the universe whenever you experience emotions such as excitement, enthusiasm, passion, happiness, joy, appreciation, or abundance. This will, in turn, attract people, resources, and opportunities that are on the same energetic wavelength as the positive energy that you are emitting. This effortless optimism that you bring into your life's path will assist you to achieve the goals that you have set for yourself. On the other hand, if you are experiencing negative emotions such as boredom, anxiety, worry, anger, resentment, or sadness, you are putting out bad energy. Your life will be filled with pessimistic people and situations if you maintain that negative energy, which will drive away positive ones. Discovering the law of attraction in your life. It's likely that you've seen the law of attraction firsthand in your own life. For instance, a person who constantly vents their frustrations is likely to gather around them friends and followers who share their pessimistic outlook on life. Or, joyful and vivacious people are more likely to draw other driven achievers into their inner circle. This is a perfect example of the universal law of attraction at work. It is essential to keep in mind that the universe is unconcerned with the type of energetic frequency that you release into it. It makes no difference whether you are a positive or negative person to the world around you. It does nothing more than react to what you provide. You have the power to alter the universe's reaction to you simply by shifting the frequency of your energetic vibration. You can bring about specific results in your life by merely generating and focusing your attention on vibrations that are in harmony with the outcomes you seek. However, in order to accomplish this, you will need to cultivate a profound and ongoing awareness of your energy, thoughts, and feelings, as well as the 7 distinct ways in which these components construct your reality. The 7 laws of attraction. The law of attraction can be broken down into 7 mini-laws that all affect how the world responds to you and the results you get in life. The law of manifestation. When they hear the phrase law of attraction, the vast majority of individuals immediately think of this concept. According to the law of manifestation, our thoughts and feelings are responsible for creating our reality, and the things that we focus on are the things that we bring into our life. Using affirmations based on the law of attraction is a potent approach to keep your goals at the forefront of your mind and to help you focus on what you want, rather than what you don't want, which will enable you to create the life you desire. The law of magnetism. According to the law of magnetism, everything that has occurred in your life, including the people, things, and opportunities that have come into your life, as well as the circumstances in which you have found yourself, is a result of the energy that you put out into the world. This includes the circumstances in which you have found yourself. What you are tends to attract to you. The law of unwavering desire. Do you really want the things you say you want to have in your life? According to the law of unwavering drive, in order to bring about the outcomes you want in your life, you must have a robust and unyielding desire to accomplish certain goals or bring about specific outcomes. Your desires won't be able to get you what you want if they aren't strong and if they don't have a rock-solid basis to support them. The law of delicate balance. The cosmos is characterized by a state of equilibrium, which exists between the many forces and components. And because we are miniature versions of the entire cosmos, we want for harmony. When all of the components of your life are functioning harmoniously, you will be able to feel a sense of inner calm and contentment. Appreciation and thankfulness are necessary, though, in order to reach a state of equilibrium. The law of harmony. The coordinated interaction of the various forces and components that make up the universe is characterized by the law of harmony. The natural progression of life is toward harmony. When you are in sync with it, everything seems simple, as if you are swimming with the current rather than against it. This is because when you are in tune with it, you are not fighting it. You can access the hope and optimism that the universe has to offer by tuning into the law of harmony and making it a goal of your life to live in harmony with all other beings. The law of right action. According to the law of right action, the quality of the experiences you have in life is determined by the quality of your words and acts, which in turn affect the environment around you. The way in which you carry yourself and interact with other people will set the tone for how others will treat you. More good will come into your life if you direct your attention toward doing what is right and treat other people with kindness, making it a point to treat others as you would like to be treated yourself at all times. The law of universal influence. When you look up at the stars at night, it's easy to get the impression that you're very small and unimportant. But the fact of the matter is that each and every one of us is an essential component of the universe. Everything that we think and do has some kind of effect on the environment around us. Our energy vibrations eventually become woven into the very fabric of the universe. Because of this, it is extremely vital for you to be conscious of your thoughts, feelings, and actions, in addition to the indications that the universe sends your way, so that it can demonstrate the results of your activities and point you in the direction of achieving the dreams you have. Doing so will allow you to effectively control your energy and increase the positive impact you have on the world around you. If you do this, you will be able to What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.